Look how bright the sun is!
Wow, this view is incredible.
Hurry up, let's get a picture together.
What is the meaning of that signature?
Magnify sector gamma immediately.
God, look at the size of that wave!
We have to get inside, quickly!
Oh God, hold on! Ah!
It's coming right for us! Hold tight! Secure yourselves now!
Hold on to the railing. Everyone move towards the lifeboats now. Help me! I can't hold on! Hurry! The water is rising fast!
Watch your step, be careful.
Steady as she goes. Report status.
Hull integrity compromised, Captain.
All hands, brace for the next swell.
Help us!
Dear God, look at the size of it!
We're doomed! Hard to board! Now!
We're losing power to the stabilizers. Brace for impact. Hold on. Oh God, hold on tight! We're going under! We have to get off!
Help us! Somebody help us! Hold on! We're going under! Somebody help us! We're going down! Help us!
Get to the lifeboats! We have to jump!
Help us! Somebody help us!
Hold on! Don't let go!
Size means nothing here. Always.
Even storms must pass.
What remains is silence.
Even giants return to the deep.
I thought it was the end.
Rescue 1, scanning Sector Bravo, hold steady.
Floats.
We're alive. You're safe now.
The ship disappeared. The ocean stayed.
Authorities have marked the location in open waters.
No warning. No mercy.
He stayed till the end. Nature doesn't forgive arrogance.
None of it was enough.
Nothing beats the ocean.